Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 27th Animasam, 11th July 2025, Friday. Vishwasnama Sambalsaram, Uttarayanam, Grishmurado, Animasam, that is Mithuna Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tithi up to 3:11 a.m. Pradhamai, then Dudiyai, Nakshatram Puranam up to 7:22 a.m. then Uttradam. Today's Rahualam 10:30 to 12 noon. Yamagandam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Guliyagaram 7:30 to 9 a.m. Good time 6 to 7:30 a.m. then 5 to 6 p.m. Sunrise 6 a.m. Chandrashtamam up to 1:32 p.m. Rishabha then Midhuna Rashi. Prayachittam Jangari Shraddha Tithi today Pradhamai.